In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to assign sequence number to our record automatically. As an example, suppose I write here some record, then automatically here number should be displayed. Another situation is we want number which includes some text format also. So if I write here say some name, then here I want number as by dash 010. So basically it includes some text also. So in this video we'll understand how to do this. So let's get started. First, let us understand how to get this number 1 to 10 automatically. So for that, there is a function in Google Sheet called sequence, and suppose here I write say 11. So this function is going to populate values automatically up to 11. But when I use this sequence, right, I don't know how many records user is going to enter. So we are going to use this sequence but along with another function. So let us see another function which is so there is a function called count a, using which I can count non-empty cells. So to use it we specify value 1. In this case it is I'm taking this B3 and I take till last value that is available, and if I hit enter I'll get values. I'll get first value as 10. So now I'm going to use this first value inside sequence. So you can see what function we write. So we are using count function inside sequence function. So here when we use count a b3 to b, it's going to give me 10 because we have 10 records here, and from that I'm going to create a sequence. So now if I use it and if I enter, say let me delete this, if I write any new value here for my new record, then automatically it will be numbered as 11. Okay, now let's see this case how to do this. So earlier we have seen that how to assign this sequence number automatically. So we are going to use that same function here, but now we'll see that how to generate this by and then dash 001. So in order to get any number in this format with the leading zeros, so there is a function called text. So I use this text function and I take number. So in this case I'm taking this as a number, and then I have to specify what format I want. So here I write 000. So in case we have any leading zeros, it will be added automatically. So if I hit now enter, value 1 will be displayed as 001. Now this is text, so you can see it is left justified, whereas this number is the right justified. So this is one function we are going to use. Now once we do this, we are going to concatenate by string in front of it. So I'll write by, then one dash, and then I use string concatenation operator. And now if I hit enter key, I'll get value as by 001. Now I can easily copy this function for rest of the rows, so I'll automatically get the values. But here you can see that if value is not present, I get by dash 000. In order to get proper sequence number, that is here we should not get any value. We have to check that this number is not empty, then only you write this formula, you generate this sequence number. So that is what we have written here. You can see it. The function is like this, that if value of B3 cell, which is actually containing our sequence number, if it is not equal to blank, then only you generate this sequence, otherwise you generate empty string. So in this way we can generate sequence numbering. Thanks for watching.